Gorenje Sensocare. It doesn't say a model number, but it's a Sensocare and it's red. Costs 40. Don't know the model number of this, but I'm sure Washer for Washer and Crazy Washer Boy 2007 could identify it.
Occasionally, at this point, it does some distributing.
Oh, distribution, sometimes.
Apparently, the ones who had this for a brief time, it ended up cutting out into some error code.
Error code. Probably because it was too unbalanced.
Probably, and they had a problem with their drainage as well. And it wasn't running. And I've been running on quite a lot of tests already again, and we refunded. And it seems to be.
Maybe it's just an issue with their drainage system, not the machine. It's one of Cotton's 40, I think Eco. That spin is 1400 RPM.
There's only one type of
See you guys another time. Goodbye and take care.